to be found in an arcade at the Devonshire Mall. Let's go check it out. Pinball machines. Their claw machine's working. Keymaster. Miss Pac-Man. I don't like Miss Pac-Man because it's made for girls. We got this racing game. I don't know what it's called. We have the air hockey table. We have this type of machine. Basketball.
Time Crisis 4.
That's the arcade. There's a change machine. If you are in the Windsor, Ontario area, go check out the arcade at the Devonshire Mall. They have a lot of good games around here. Make sure you like and subscribe for more arcade videos. And thank you for watching.